Across much of the state, Keith, the snow shovels have been feeling rather neglected of late. What can we do about that?
Yeah, well, we can try to put them to work. It is funny, though, Pat, to your point, I have one in the back, one in the front.
Yep.
And the one in the back was just sitting across my patio for the past X number, over a month, really.
All it's doing is getting blown around every time we get wind.
Yeah, and my dog is blind now, so he kept running into it, and I was like, I gotta
Poor
move.
Reese's.
Yeah, I gotta move it. Now it's ready for some snow, so everybody wins. Here's a look at the satellite. Nice day today. We recovered a lot into the 30s, considering we started in the single digits in a lot of spots. Here comes our little system. The actual storm is to the south, but the northern stream, which is connected loosely to the storm, has a good deal of energy, and that's something that changed in the modeling over the weekend and gave us a little bit more to think about for tonight and tomorrow. And you can see it's moving from southwest to northeast. And so today, the rest of today is fine. The vast majority of the state gets home from work before it starts snowing. And the snow starts moving in after sunset. And by midnight, you can see it's settled in across the southern third or so of the state. As I mentioned, the leading edge of this snow is very likely to evaporate before it hits the ground. So we're probably going to have a lot of radar echoes that are not actually showing snow at the ground later today and into the evening. But eventually it will saturate and reach the ground and continues through early tomorrow morning and then kind of breaks off into snow showers through the rest of the day on Wednesday. But I think the only impact there will be earlier in the morning on Wednesday as far as it's still snowing. So this is not a big event, and admittedly there's a fairly big mental difference between 1 inch and 3 inches, but it's kind of hard to say exactly where a decent band is going to set up. So I didn't want to undersell us and say 1 inch when we had the potential for 2 and 3 in spots. I would say the best chance of the higher amounts will be over York County, especially down towards Kittery and into Portsmouth, New Hampshire. And then north of Augusta, you're looking really at just some snow showers here and there. But after that, we have to watch another system on Friday that's going to bring us in a little bit of what we call an inverted trough. So there could be some light snow along the coastline there as well. At this point, next week's storm, latest models, kick it out to sea. We'll see. It's close. Don't have time for that graphic. So that's really the big thing to watch. Again, we'll watch some light snow Thursday into Friday along the coast. I'm not sure that will hit directly. Windy and cold. Friday and Saturday are cold. And it's better on Sunday, but it ain't great. It's right around 30 degrees. The morning, though, is cold in the single digits, probably even along the coastline. Increasing clouds on Monday. We will keep our eyes on a storm system for mid next week. I will tell you, Pat, that between the weather weenies and the avid skiers, if next week's storm misses, people are going to start to get very upset. Because,
at least very paranoid about who's keeping our snow away from us.
Yeah, because that one we've been watching now for a week and a half, so we'll see. We still have time.
All right, keep us posted, Keith. Thanks.